morning sa atong matag usa. So niningtak na sa kabuntagon. Paambita kadali sa pulong sa Dios. So akong i-share sa inyo karon the believer's responsibility. So matod pa sa Psalms 1:1 to 3, ingon ang pulong sa Ginoo, blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law doth he meditate day and night. So gikinanglan ay nato ang pagpamalandong sa pulong sa Dios. Una, the believer's delight. So ahama nato ang kalipay nato na atong kalipay sa pulong sa Dios. Ngin siya, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, doth he meditate day and night. So kinahanglan ita mamalandong sa pulong sa Ginoo day and night. Then the believer's benefits, unsa may benepisyo nato. So ingon ang Bible gitawag kining the counsel of God. So naa nato. Then the believer's blessing, ingon ang Bible, and in its law doth he meditate day and night. And then ingon ba, and is like a tree planted by the rivers of water that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaf also shall not wither, and wherever he doeth shall prosper. So maangko na to ang prosperity. Daghang salamat, mayong buntag na tong tanan.